Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We just picked up something super cool for the vet. It was kind of a last second deal. Yeah, let's go. Basically, it went down, it was on Facebook Marketplace, swiped down, and there was literally an ad up for 13 minutes, and it was for wheels for a C7 Z06. And I have always wanted the Z06 wheels on the Corvette, so we snagged them. So let's go ahead and see what these are gonna look like. And there you go, that is what it looks like. And you can see we got the front one right here. So this is 285, this is a 335. I mean, look at the size of this tire. It's crazy, dude. All right, so
dump truck tires, maybe.
Dump truck. So we're gonna get this thing jacked up real quick and we're gonna slap these on.
Try it, it's just gonna start like
just sliding. Oh, that's it right there. How's it look from over there? It's pretty sick.
It looks fantastic.
I just can't wait to drop it on there and see what it looks like. I mean, it's gonna come out a little more too, which would be nice. These are 12s. I don't know what size these are, 10s, 11s? Yeah, I know this was a really short video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Here's a sick clip of me ripping sauce in the vet.
Oh my goodness. Holy shit.